Morning.
Guys, we're bringing this bit of scrap up for summer, and nice bit of scrap, all engines, copper braid and rad. They're good pairs, guys, yeah, very good pairs.
Ooh, and look what we have.
The juicy stuff.
Ooh.
Anyway, I think we can take a bit more.
Oh yeah, there's plenty of space there.
Yeah, right, we'll get a bit more in, yeah.
That's a good idea. That's a great idea.
Safety first, guys.
Yeah. Oh yeah. There's the bad boy coming out. Great jokes, aren't they? It goes on like a charm.
And shoot them dogs, will it? They're all, this is Sandra's family home. They're all annoying. Anyway, yeah, I reckon a bit more can win there.
Oh yeah. Careful, careful. Woo!
Guys, he sent us down to the last pile, and I love coming down here. Look at all the aluminium.
Oh, look at that.
I see an aircraft engine there, guys.
Oh, no, Larry.
Oh, look at all the motors, son. Look at the motors.
Oh, mommy.
Get a motor for my lad there. Yeah, that other motor didn't work, guys, yeah.
Oh my god, and look what's in front of us, Darren.
Yeah. I love coming down here, guys, because you can get the roof. Yeah.
And no one is going to say, don't be rude. Rain. Woo. He's gone over trying to find a motor for his lathe. He's looking for a motor for his lathe. You can see. But he got one. He's still rooting in the pile. Aaron, you got 3 or 4 of them.
Yeah, that's 2.
Are you ready? Oh, I did not. Guys, I've got a fish tank, but it's broken. Yes, Darren? There's a nice wardrobe.
That's lovely, Sandra. Look at that. I think we'll bring that with us, Sandra. What do you reckon?
It broke from the back.
No, it's perfect.
What's in? Just check here. Check the here. Check these first before. Very nice. Right. Okay. Are you doing a bin?
No,
It's not Batman, it's Copper. Oh my god, look what he got. Look what he got, people. Oh my god, a fish tank. A fish tank!
What are you talking about, fish tank?
You got a fish tank there, you got a fish tank. Oh my god, a fish tank, people. What else? What else is there in the skip? You never know what you get in a rainy day. Talking about like my fish tank at home, I said to myself, Darren, I may clean my fish tank when I get home, and I'm like, oh my god, we got a fish tank.
Brand spanking new. A hole anymore.
The paper and all is on it.
Well guys, it's day 3, I think it's day 3, and we're on a run again, yeah. So we have, what are we cooking this morning? We are cooking a few rims, along with some heavy steel in there. Our old horse line, all heavy, all good heavy. How's the Taylor? Taylor's fine. And we're cooking a bit of aluminium. So that should make a nice soup. Okay, let's get on with this. If we can get Sandra out of the door. Sandra, come on! Right guys, check images up there.
Well, how are we?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Look at that.
What?
Hey, there's loads of them there, look at loads of them. Look at the actions and all.
Not a bad day, no?
Ah, lovely.
Grand day now. You'd be surprised at how much wire's in that.
Ah,
You'd be surprised at how much wire's in that.
hot enough pipe in there, but there's a little radiator in them. Ah, you want to see the rest of them over there, man.
Jeez.
I'm getting a few voice clips in that area.
You'll have a heart attack.
There's another full one there. There's loads of things under that bonnet. There, looking at them.
What? Yeah, we'll take that back.
Axle stands.
What's that?
Axle stands. I know.
Look at that.
This is one, isn't it? Little screws is on it, you see.
You
They're
fucker.
a poxy nightmare.
No, this thing is rusted out with the magnet. That's through there, look.
Stand on it.
Quiet, but
Yeah.
not that.
Little screws is on it, you see. Handy with the
My
slip.
son had that no slips.
Oh, you know, do you want it to take
No,
off?
no, I
You
have
sure?
a gas pencil.
Alright, no bother, no bother.
You get me push?
Yeah, the wire is hiding on you. Any interesting ones there?
What?
Any interesting ones? Woohoo! My little pony. She's skinny and bony. Oh, cool. Look at all the stuff that we got. Look, Minnie Mouse, After Minions. You know, My Little Pony. All different kind of My Little Ponies in it. Look, and small. To the big. Look. All different kind of toys. So yeah, cool. Nice bit in it, isn't there? A few other bits and pieces over here as well. A few more bits and pieces.
Put that in the car.
Yeah.
Box of cameras up.
Ooh. I see ya. 22 degrees here today, and it's lovely. Oh my god, look what we got. Look, brand new, literally brand new drill bits. Look. And that one's in the package. There's another bit. So you never know what you find. There's cameras. So you never know what you find when you go around scrapping.
But this is a Volkswagen. I don't know what it's called, but the tire is bit back. You get me? Right, yeah. I just get the price to swap it over.
And that trailer is going into that.
Well guys, this trailer, most of all the stuff on it is from the scrap. I bought it for €40 and put it all in it, and it cost me €20 in paint, and I flipped it for $3.50. So that's why I'm showing the trailer. Everything has a value May look scrapper. If you're willing to put the work in, there's money to be made. Now guys, why the thumbnail has how to quadruple your money when you go to the scrapyard. And here's why. Guys, look at all these thrown in the scrap pile. Look at that saw. Beautiful. eBay, 40 quid. These drills, 20 quid. There's 3 of them in there. That's 100 alone, that. I don't have to go on, guys. Yeah, I won't sell that on eBay, but I'll probably sell it at the market. 20 quid for them too. Little shears. This is the thing I'm psyched about, guys. Hang on, see if I can find it. Look at that for a hammer, guys. I don't know where I'm going to sell it. I might just keep it for myself. This thing here, guys, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. Guys, go through the scrap pile and the beautiful scales there. This hatchet we got out of it too. Beautiful. We got this scales. And we got another baby scales. We got this other baby. Unfortunately, the tray is not with it. But we got that. Shit, that's €50 there alone. These little hammers. Guys, look at them. That'll go on eBay, €15. The old pumps. Guys, look at them. Beautiful stuff. Why would someone want to throw this? Some man stuff, I'd say, who passed away. Unfortunately, the stuff ended up in scrap heap. Look at the little hammer. Most of this now I'm going to keep for myself. But I'm just psyched, guys. That's crazy. So go through the scrap pile, guys. There's money to be made, and scrapyards don't mind you taking stuff back out, because the way they look at it is, it's all down to weight. The money comes off the money. So it's nothing to them. This jack goes in with that pile. I'll be keeping that for myself for the tractor. It's just unbelievable, guys. And why about the motors? Here's how it works, right? I brought up €100 scrap for the motors before I took the motors. I took the motors. You see in the video there was 3 motors set up there, yeah? Well, I actually got 5 motors, and he came over during the week to buy 2, and he took the 5 of them off me at 50 quid each for the 3, and 75 quid for the first 2. So that was 150. Well, actually, yeah, it came to €300, guys. And the trailer I bought that in a farmer's sale for a tenner, and I sold it for 100. So you can't go wrong, guys. I was just telling them there about the motors we got out of the scrap pile and all the tools. It's crazy, isn't it, Sandra? What people throw away.
We got a lot of motors, we got a lot of tools.
Yeah, it's just unbelievable, guys. So that's how you triple your money in the scrapyard. Go through the pile and see something there, because people just don't care. They just throw it away, and there's money to be made. Not right, Sandra? You're foggy there. Do you want to tell them the good news?
No.
No, not yet. We leave them in suspense. Anyway, guys, we have good news. But guys, there's a little tip for you. Go through the pile and take a bit of stuff out that you'll think will sell. Them 2 items there, we brought in €100 each scrap run, and we've made probably an extra 600. So that's probably 800 along with the scrap. And we're here editing the video at the moment. Yeah, so that's what we did. Do well, didn't we?
Very well, very.
Very, very well. So guys, there's a little tip for you. When you're weighing your scrap in, go through the pile, see what's in it, put it back into your car, bring it out, and it will sell. So that's why the thumbnail is what it is. Well, anyway, guys, on to the next one. Hope you find this video a bit educational, because that's what it's about. And until then, we'll catch you on the next one. Say bye.
From Darren, from me, from Betty.
And from Catty. Mr. Catty.
I'll say goodbye.
Okay, guys, catch you on the next one. Cheers.